you'd have visited Stratford in the early 2000s, you would have seen an industrial, empty wasteland. Today, you'll see things like UCL East, the V&A, the London Stadium, loads of apartments, and one of the busiest urban shopping centres in Europe. That's the result of hundreds of residential, commercial, i.e. mixed-use projects with retail strategically delivered to basically change what was an empty, underutilised space into a place that is busy with people who are working, shopping, living and relaxing. But what you don't see is all the work that you and I know is necessary to make change like this possible. Places evolve over time. When you plan to redesign one, it needs built-in flexibility. Fewer people now commute 5 days a week. More office spaces are therefore needing to be repurposed or consolidated. Well, as a deliverer of change, you must be adept at navigating the complex logistical challenges that will always come with building next to and around and above so much infrastructure, particularly in busy urban city centres. Multiple stakeholders can complicate any development, especially when it comes to your budget. Big developments require big capital investment, testing your financial controls and the ability to prove return on investment. Well, on projects like these, you get certainty by working with great people who really understand the challenges, enhanced by digital solutions that have been purpose-built to solve those problems. We guarantee you complete control and transparency, even on the most complex projects. Well, from the moment we meet to discuss your plan, the first question I would ask is, why are you doing this project and why are you doing it now? A lot of people execute the wrong project because they've not planned it in depth, they've not thought it properly through, and they've not worked up a robust business case. By asking why, we will then test thoroughly before progressing. We will go through things like timelines and budgets, and we'll approach all of this with the same level of scrutiny to guarantee you have clarity. You can trust us to control the whole life cycle, from inception to handover. We combine in-depth construction knowledge and digital capabilities to achieve this. Think muddy boots planners and engineers allied to digital people with tech skills that frankly wouldn't be out of place at Apple or Google. They'll be on the ground with you, managing and controlling every detail across your site, and day to day we'll hold the designers accountable to their budgets and their scopes. In a room full of stakeholders, we'll add our voice to yours, leveraging our highly automated project controls and the insight they provide to make sure everybody's on side, everybody's focused on the most critical issues at the right time. How do we guarantee this level of control? We do that by digitising our scheduling, cost, risk and change management, and we use our digital toolbox to gather data from as close to the workface as possible. Our solutions are designed and developed with the same rigour as a software product, grounded in construction data and insight to minimise any risks, sort out issues and manage change safely. You always need one eye on the big picture. How the place you're developing will have a big positive impact, but you must never lose sight of the details that drive the project forward. Keeping track of this is much easier with a team that's also looking out for these things. Our team will make you their top priority, so what you can do is focus on your bottom line and the other things that are critical to you. So this is how we can help, and it's why our ability to see and control every detail really matters.